Is your Messenger app stuck on getting started on your PC? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this error and get back to chatting with your buddies. So, let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Enable and disable Internet. To do this, click on the search icon and type Control Panel. Then, click on Control Panel from the search results. Next, click on View Network Status and Tasks under Network and Internet. After that, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on the connection you're using, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next, select Disable from here. Then right-click on it again and select Enable, and see if that helped with the error. Solution 2. Repair and reset Messenger. To do this, first open Settings. Then click on Apps from the left side menu. After that, click on Installed Apps. Now, find the Messenger app and click the three-dot icon next to it. Next, click on Advanced Options. Now, scroll down a little and click the Repair button. Once that's done, click the Reset button. Then click on Reset from here and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Reset Network Configuration. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CND. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type NATSH WinSock Reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in NATSH int IP reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Do not skip this step. Then check if the error is gone. Solution 4. Use and optimize DNS server. For this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Next, click on the Edit button next to DNS Server Assignment. Now, select Manual. After that, turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now, on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 as your preferred DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now the error should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix Messenger stuck on getting started error on your PC. If the video helps you solve the issue, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll reply to you real soon. Thanks for watching.